I hate that little kitten. He's so stupid. Don't you think? He's just so weird.
Yeah, I know, he's so dumb. I don't know why anybody would even like him.
Aw, that makes me sad. I'm gonna barf on you too.
You sick person. What the heck's wrong with you? You know what? I really don't like you I never liked you anyhow. Why did you say that to me? I wasn't talking to you. Oh, okay. Bye. Bye.
But
Wait. I hate you. You're mean.
hey, Key. Hey, Mom. Yeah, I have something to say to you. I hate you, and I like to barf on your friend, Buddy.
I gotta say something. I'm not your mom, you idiot.
And we're gonna have a commercial break right now. We'll be back later.